Hello students, in the last video we learned the adaptation found in grassland animals and in forest animals. Now in this lesson we are going to learn the adaptation found in desert animals, adaptation found in snowy region animals, adaptation found in aerial animals and adaptation found in reptiles. So first adaptation found in desert animals. Now all of you know that in desert there is a scarcity of water, means there is a very little water in a desert. So in desert we found animals like camel. Which animal we found in desert? Camel. As there is a lack of water in a desert animal like camel have thick skin. If you observe the skin of the camel, you will find that the skin of camel is very thick. Why it is very thick? Because to prevent a loss of water from their body. If you observe the leg of camel, you will find that the legs of camel are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by a folds of skin. The eyelashes are very long and thick. Animals like rats, snakes, spiders, lizards in desert. Apart from camel, we find the animals rats, snakes, spiders, lizard in desert. And they live in deep burrow during daytime because of extreme heat. You know that the climate of the desert is very hot and during daytime there is extreme heat, and to protect themselves from this extreme heat they live in a deep burrow during daytime and are active at night. Why they are active at night? Because the nights are very cold in desert. Okay. Now all of you know that the camel is called a sheep of desert. Why the camel is called a sheep of desert? First, the skin of camel is very thick. I already told you that as the camel is a desert animal, and to prevent the loss of water from its body, the skin of camel is very thick. Second, the legs are long with cushioned soles, right? Third, there is a fold of skin for protection of nostrils. The eyelashes are long and thick and thus they protect the eyes. Fourth, fat is stored in its hump due to which it can survive for a long time without water. Okay, all of you know that the water is stored in camel's hump to live without water for a long time in desert. Fifth, due to all of such adaptation. Now, these are the adaptation found in animals. Okay, due to all of such adaptation, camel becomes more suitable to walk in the desert. Thus, it is used as a means of transport. Camel is used as a means of transport in a desert. That's why it is called a sheep of desert. Do you understand, all of you? Okay. Now the next topic, adaptation of animals in snowy region. Snowy region means what? The area which covered with snow or ice. Now let's study what adaptation found in the animal which is found in snowy region. A white or silver body color. What is the color of the body of animals which live in snowy region? White or silver. They have long thick hair on the skin. Okay. They have long thick hair on the skin, and these are the typical characteristic of animals of snowy region. Now what are the examples of snowy region animals? The examples of snowy region animals are yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat, Siberian husky dog and snow leopard. These are the most known example of the snowy region animals. Now the next topic is adaptation in aerial animals. Now, what is meant by aerial animals? I already told you the animals which live in air are called aerial animal. So, let's study what adaptation do we find in the animal which live in air. Let's study first adaptation in birds. Now, if you observe the body of birds, you will find that the spindle-shaped body of birds minimize the resistance of air while flying. म्हणजे काय? हवेचा जोर कमी करते. हवेचा जोर कमी करता येईल अशा पद्धतीने पक्ष्यांच्या बॉडीचा शेप असतो. बरोबर? Then second, feathers covering the body. If you observe the body of birds, you will find that whole body of the birds has been covering with feathers. Okay. Then third, forelegs. म्हणजे काय? पुढचे पाय. Forelegs modified into wings. Okay. Then air sacs. You will find the air sacs in the body of the birds. Then the next feature is hollow bones. hollow म्हणजे काय? पोकळ बोन्स असतात. आपले बोन्स कसे असतात? भरीव असतात. परंतु पक्ष्यांचे जे बोन्स असतात ते कसे असतात? पोकळ असतात. hollow bones making body light. And why the bones of the birds are hollow? To making a body light. खूप वजनदार जर खूप आपल्यासारखं त्यांचं वजन जास्त राहिलं तर ते हवेमध्ये उडू शकतील का? नाही. So why their bones are hollow? Making a body light in weight and adapted for flying. Got it? Then the next animal is insects. Okay. Now we are going to study the adaptation found in insects. As insects are a aerial animal, let's study the adaptation found in insects. Now if you observe the body of all types of insects, you will find that lightweight and tapering body. टॅपरिंग बॉडी म्हणजे काय? दोन्ही टोकांना निमुळती. कशी असते त्यांची बॉडी? दोन्ही टोकांना निमुळती. ओके. लाईट वेट अँड टॅपरिंग बॉडी. 2 pairs ऑफ विंग्स फॉर फ्लाईट. म्हणजे हवेमध्ये उडण्यासाठी त्यांना 2 पंखांची जोडी असते. राईट. 2 pairs ऑफ विंग्स फॉर फ्लाईट. 6 sticks like walking legs. How many legs are there in insects? All insects have 6 legs for walking. Okay. Now the next aerial animal is bat. Bat means what? वटवाघूळ. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी बघितलेलंच आहे. So let's study the adaptation found in bat. Thin fold of skin called patagium between their forelegs and hind legs. Okay. Then light weight and ability to hang. आता तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी बघितलं असेल की वटवाघूळ हे उलटं स्वतःला टांगून घेतं झाडाला. वाय इट इज हॅपन? बिकॉज ऑफ लाईट वेट अँड इट हॅज अ ॲबिलिटी टू हँग इट सेल्फ ऑन अ ट्री. वॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? नाव द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ॲडॅप्टेशन इन रेप्टाईल्स. रेप्टाईल्स मीन्स वॉट? सरपटणारे प्राणी. जमिनीवर जे प्राणी सरपटत चालतात त्यांना काय म्हणतो आपण? रेप्टाईल्स. नाव let's study the adaptation found in reptiles. If you observe the body of the reptiles, you will find that, for example, snake. Snakes creeps with the help of scales on their skin. Okay. Some reptiles use their muscles for creeping. Which organ they use to creep on the land? They use their muscles. For example, house lizard, garden lizard and crocodile. Then skin and soles of feet are specially modified for creeping mode. म्हणजे काय? जमिनीवर सरपटण्यासाठी त्यांच्या बॉडीमध्ये निसर्गाने ऑलरेडी बदल केलेला असतो. स्किन अँड सोल्स ऑफ फीट आर स्पेशली मॉडिफाईड फॉर क्रिपिंग. ओके. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हाऊस लिझार्ड अँड मॉनिटर्ड लिझार्ड. Then if you observe the color of the body of such animals, you will find that body color shows camouflage to hide with the surrounding. म्हणजे काय? ज्या वातावरणामध्ये ते राहतात, ज्या परिसरामध्ये राहतात हे प्राणी, त्या परिसरामध्ये स्वतःला लपवण्यासाठी ते त्यांच्या बॉडीचा कलर टाईम टू टाईम चेंज करत असतात. म्हणजे काय, बॉडी कलर शोज कॉम्युफ्लेज टू हाईड विथ द सराउंडिंग. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू?